Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Mikhail here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to make a slow motion video in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the CapCut application and make sure that your app is always installed to its latest version. Now once you open up and you land on this interface, to create a new project, tap on this plus icon that you will see on this interface. Now from here you have to select the video that you want to apply slow motion to. Now once you add your video, to apply the slow motion effect, from the menu bar that you will see at the bottom of your screen, at the very first you will see an edit icon. Tap on there. Now again from here tap on speed. Speed will allow you to apply the slow motion effect. Now there you get two options, normal and curve. If you tap on normal, there you can simply drag this pointer front and back in order to apply the speed to your video. If you reduce it to 0.5 or 0.4, the slow motion effect will get applied to your video. Now if you don't want to go with this, you can go back again and tap on curve. This will allow you various effects such as montage, hero, bullet. If you scroll that here, you will get furthermore. Just select the one that you want. Now you can also customize it as well. If you tap on custom, tap on edit again. There you can customize the way you want. If you drag this up and down, your slow motion video will get applied on this specific position. Here you can apply slow motion. If you drag this down to 0.4, you can go more lower to 0.3, 0.2 as you wish. Once you're done with that, leave that, and as you can see, the slow motion will get applied to this video. So here is how to make a slow motion video in CapCut. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.